Let's dive into how to blur a part of a video in the CapCut editing app. Super easy and fun. Welcome back to another quick tutorial. Everyone, if you're looking to blur out someone's face, a license plate, some personal information, or just about anything else in a video, you've come to the right place. Stick around until the end of this video to learn exactly how to do it. Blurring part of a video is a piece of cake, so just follow my lead. We'll be using the CapCut app for this. And don't worry, the process is exactly the same whether you're on iOS or Android. So, let's get started by opening up CapCut and importing the video you want to edit. I've got this awesome car video, and I want to blur out the license plates to keep things private. First things first, tap on the effects option right here. Next, go to Video Effects. Then head over to the Lens section and find the blur effect. If you don't see the blur effect right away, just explore some of the other sections under Video Effects until you find it. We're looking for a basic blur, so click on that effect, and boom, your whole video gets blurred. Perfect! Now, the blur is added to our timeline. Drag it over the entire video or just the part where you want to blur something specific. Great! Next, let's go back and add the same video again. Tap on the Overlay button, select Add Overlay, and CapCut will open up your photo gallery. Choose the same video again, and it might look a bit smaller than your frame. No worries, just zoom in a bit to make it fit perfectly. Moving on to the next steps, make sure your second video is selected. Scroll down until you see the mask option and tap on it. A menu will pop up with different mask shapes. The circle mask and rectangle mask are your go-to options for blurring parts of a video. I need to blur out the license plates, so I'll select the rectangle shape. You can see we've created a mask, but don't forget to hit the invert button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, you can drag the arrows to adjust the size and shape of your mask to get it just right. And there you go, part of your video is blurred. But hang on, we're not done yet. To make sure the blur moves with the object, we need to add some keyframes. As you can see, my car and camera move throughout the frame, but the mask stays put. Let's fix that. Start at the beginning of your video, tap on the little keyframe button, and move the video forward a few frames. Now, adjust the mask to follow your object. Just keep repeating this step, adding as many keyframes as you need. I'll speed this up a bit because nobody wants to sit through this forever. So, select the part of the video, adjust the mask, click Done, and there you have it. That's how you can blur part of a video using CapCut. If this video helped you out, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.